Okay, so we're still working with angles today, and in this particular problem, we're looking for LK. That's the minor arc from L to K. And we do have an expression for that arc, which is awesome. But before we can figure out what that arc is, we have to figure out what X is. So we look at the information we know. We know this angle measure here, and this angle is made up by these two chords, or if you extended them, they're secants. And it is inside the circle. It's not at the center of the circle, so it's not a central angle. So when we have an angle created on the inside of the circle, we're going to say that angle is equal to 1/2 the sum of the intercepted arcs. So we're going to take 40x plus 3, and we're going to add it to 28x minus 3. And then we're just going to kind of clean this up a little bit. So you have 102 equals 1/2, and that's 68x, and the 3's drop off, which is most excellent. And this is 34 when you take half of 68. When you divide by 34, x is equal to 3. Okay, now that we know x is equal to 3, our goal is to find the measure of the minor arc LK. So we just plug in that 3 for x, and we get 124. So the measure of arc LK is 124 degrees. All right, short and simple. Nice.